Hi, this is Rob Brandt with Local CPAP talking about the SoClean system for cleaning CPAP masks and equipment. In this video, we're going to show you how simple it is to use the SoClean system alongside your Resmed S9 CPAP, AutoSet, and VPAP system. When you're done using your CPAP in the morning, simply take the mask and place it in the SoClean chamber and close the lid. You can run a manual cycle, or at 10 o'clock in the morning or any specific time you set, it'll turn on automatically.
SoClean disinfects the CPAP and disposables without using any chemicals, detergents, or liquids. It produces O3, commonly known as activated oxygen or ozone. During the 7-minute cycle, the activated oxygen will travel from the SoClean to the humidifier, inside the CPAP, through the tubing to the mask interface. Bacteria, germs, and viruses cannot survive in this environment. When the unit stops, the light will change from red to yellow. During this 2-hour resting period, the ozone safely reverts back to room air.
We recommend the SoClean adapter for the S9 series. This will ensure that the humidifier chamber is clean and it won't interfere with any climate line heated tubing. To set up your SoClean with your Resmed S9, open the humidifier lid and pull away the lid from the right corner until it's removed completely. Remove the gasket seal. When you receive your SoClean from Local CPAP, the S9 adapter lid is already connected. Take your original gasket seal and place it on the bottom of your S9 adapter lid around the raised outline. Take the lid, line up the square holes with the square tabs, and click it into place. Feed the SoClean tube into the humidifier chamber, and that's it. Take the tube blocker and place it in the SoClean chamber on the side furthest from your CPAP. All you need to do now is just set your clock time. Press the clock button on the front. We're going to set this for 9:30 p.m. So we're going to hold down the minus button until we get to the time desired, and then we're going to hold down the clock button again to lock in that time. That's simple. If you want to change the run cycle time, press the hourglass and you have the default time is 7 minutes. If you want a little stronger run, press the plus sign and maybe you want to do a 10-minute cycle. If you want to do a little less time, maybe do a 5-minute cycle, press the hourglass again. You could change the start time from the default at 10 a.m. and let's say you want to start it at 11 a.m. because you start your day a little later. You could just press the plus sign until you get up to your 11 a.m. time and then press the hourglass again in to lock that change. Now it's set to run with the door closed at 11 a.m. with a 5-minute cycle. You can order the SoClean by visiting localcpap.com or visiting one of our stores in Atlanta or Miami. We have a knowledgeable staff that can show you the newest CPAP masks and the newest CPAP, auto CPAP, and travel units.